Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Now, Mercedes-Benz GTS, GTC, they all have the same problem. This box, wrong size, never matches your plate. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of this using our range of specialty parts. Let's get into it. Now you're watching this video because you already know the problem. The box that Mercedes-Benz gives you is not the correct size. So South Australia, New South Wales, same size. Look, too tall. Victorian specialty plates, even if you had a Slimline, it's too tall and too wide in this case. Not only that, some plates you can't bend. What are you going to do? So what we've done is we've taken the box, redesigned it completely and replaced it with our miniature Plinth. I'll show you how it works. The first step is to take this box off. So take off any screws that you see that holds on the plate. And there's also 3 screws underneath to take out, and this box will just drop out of the car. Now that we have the box removed, you can replace it with our miniature version. Now, this is a self-locating part. You can see at the back, it forms to the shape of the car exactly. Not only that, the middle hole is already a factory hole. So all you got to do is line up the hole with the hole. If you want, you can put a screw in it to hold it in place, and then mark out the 2 sides so we can put a screw in it so that way it doesn't wiggle or turn. Now that I've got the part on the car, I was going to get a little Sharpie and mark out the 2 side holes so I know where to drill. Now that I've marked out a hole, I'm just going to drill it with a very small drill bit. The smallest one that you have, I'm using a 3, 2.5 also works. Maybe nothing bigger than that. Now that I've drilled out the holes, I can put this back and just put the screws as included in the kit into the 3 holes. Now that we have our plinth on, it's time to choose a bracket. Now, because this is a 2-part mounting solution, you need a plinth to suit the car and a bracket to suit your number plate style. So if you got to install, say, heritage plates, grab yourself a heritage bracket that bolts on, which gives you a spot for your number plate to bolt into. On this car, we'll be installing some signature Slimline plates from Victoria. I've got a bracket that matches, and all you do is bolt up to the car, and this can clip on at the end. Installing a bracket's quite easy. There's always going to be multiple slots in the bracket and multiple mounting points onto the plinth. All you gotta do is line up the holes at the slot wherever you like. I might try there and see how we go. Now, our signature brackets are a little bit different. There's some mounts and a clip down the bottom. So the top goes into the channel of the frame, the bottom clips in, and there's 2 grub screws that holds everything in place. You might be thinking, well, what about the hole left behind from the old box? Well, in the kit, it comes with some blanking screws. This, you screw it in, and it covers up the hole nicely. And that's how you get rid of the big, ugly mounting box that's always in the wrong size and clean it up with a nice floating look with our 2-part mounting system. And just remember, you will need 2 parts, plinth to suit your car model and a bracket to suit your number plate to complete the look. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.